In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Perplexity browser. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to begin by opening your preferred browser. This could be any browser that you are comfortable with, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. No matter which one you choose, the steps remain the same. Once you've got your browser up and running, the next thing you need to do is navigate to Perplexity's website. You can do this by typing the URL directly into the address bar at the top of your browser window. If you haven't heard of Perplexity before, let me give you a quick overview. It's an online platform designed to help you manage information and engage in dynamic, meaningful discussions. When you arrive on the Perplexity website, your next step is to log into your account. If you are a returning user, go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. It's a simple process to create one. Look for the option that prompts you to sign up. Typically, you'll need to provide some basic information, like an email address and a password, to get started. Once you've successfully logged in or created a new account, you're ready to explore what Perplexity has to offer. Now, it's time to navigate within Perplexity. You have the option to create a new thread or open an existing one. If you're new to this, creating a thread is essentially starting a new discussion or inquiry. This is a great way to invite others to engage with your ideas or questions. If you choose to open an existing thread, you can jump into an active conversation and add your voice or perspective to the mix. Once you have a thread open, whether it's new or existing, the core functionality of Perplexity begins to shine. This is where you can type in your prompt or question, whatever it is you wish to explore or discuss. Make sure you articulate your thoughts clearly, as this helps generate better responses and more engaging interactions. The beauty of Perplexity is that it encourages thoughtful dialogue and helps uncover diverse insights on any given topic. To wrap things up, remember that Perplexity is a tool that adapts to your needs. Whether you're seeking specific information, engaging in discussion, or simply exploring ideas, the platform is designed to facilitate that journey. This wraps up today's walkthrough on using the Perplexity browser. I hope you found it helpful and feel inspired to start exploring. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. We'll see you next time.